we're stopping.
Another window blew out.
Join us this week as we struggle to find big rig boondocking sites in the beautiful Sierra Nevada mountains. And finally, months after our windows blew out, we've come up with a solution for this grand design defect.
This is it.
It's not level.
I remember the guy that wrote the review said there was someone parked up that one. That's a smaller one. It's okay.
Lots of debris.
Yeah.
Not good for walking, you know. Mm-hmm. We're like in the garbage area.
Need to come more right, or is it good?
Yeah, a little bit turn right. Okay, stop now. We can shovel a little bit of that.
Just do a cleanup. We can throw all the logs away. That's always okay. It's clear. What do you reckon? Would you camp here? Princess says no. But
You like it ugly? No, he said no too.
it's alright. Just needs a tidy up here and there, you know. Good Starlink service and good sun for the solars. I think it's pretty good. I think if I clean up a few logs, I think we can go back further.
Yeah.
Let's have a look.
Okay. Careful on spiders. They snake. What? Don't do that. Good enough.
Well, we had a win with the boondocking site. Not as neat as we pictured. Looks like they've felled a tree just here and chopped it up, and it's just sticks and a mess everywhere. But we are 3 miles from the entrance of Yosemite National Park, and this is free. I know my wife's not happy with it, but when we're driving around Yosemite, see the beauty there, maybe she'll change her mind. Certainly quiet, there is nobody else around. I know it's not the prettiest, but if we were to go into an RV park, it's like 120 a night, because we are right next to Yosemite. We'll see how we go. But we're here for like 4 or 5 nights now. But at least we can relax for today. That's the big thing. Now we can relax, get the Starlink working, we can do some internet searches and maybe find a better option. But for now, it's beer o'clock. Well, good morning. What a beautiful day. My goodness. Look at this. Things are changing a little bit though. The site is not as pretty as my wife would like. It's a little bit rubbishy with timber, not rubbish, so that's all right. But we are seriously all alone, which is what I want. But we do stress a little bit about security. Someone could be up here trying to break into the RV. We're off in Yosemite Park having a ball, you know. So another option presented itself. 7-minute drive. We found Thousand Trails RV Park, which we are members of. And long shot, but I checked if we could get some nights. And we got 4 nights for free. So why not go to the RV park? We don't have to worry about security. We can go enjoy ourselves in Yosemite for 4 days. Time to pack up our boondocking site. I don't mind it. Yeah, it's a bit messy, but I don't mind.
Do you need a map?
Only one road.
Yay! We're going to the park. Well, I would like it if it's not that trashy.
I know, and the beauty is somehow it worked out. We could use our membership and get free night.
I know, and it's so near, like 2 minutes away. Isn't it? 4 or 5. Yeah, we're just lucky that there's 1,000 trails just there.
Now we're not trying to sell 1,000 Trails memberships, but I tell you, it's working for us. It's really working for us. And there's lots of complex membership rules and stuff, but we are basically living for free.
Yeah.
If we're in 1,000 Trails Park for 14 days, it's free.
Yeah.
And that's when I come home from work. We go boondocking for the next, 2 weeks. So we are absolutely minimal rent.
Yosemite Lake Trails and Trails.
Well, that was the shortest travel day we've ever had.
I told you it's 2 minutes.
It was 4 minutes.
Is it? Not far. So lucky. We should have went here yesterday instead of.
I did look here when I was planning this, but I was looking for a 2-week stay, which we normally do, when I go to work, and that wasn't available, and I just forgot about it. Yeah.
But usually 1,000 trails are pretty, normally.
Oh, you can't state that at all.
Huh?
Las Vegas 1,000 Trails was awful.
Yeah. But this one looks pretty though. See
It's gotta be
lots
pretty.
of pine trees and redwood trees. Oh my god. We are checked in.
So we get to choose our own site. So I don't know what's available, but we'll drive up here and get out and try find one that we like.
Yeah, it's pretty.
It is pretty. There's a river just there.
Yeah.
And we're going to be on the river,
Yay.
hopefully. That's where the 50 amp site's at.
Yeah. You see it's wide and so many trees.
Alright, so I'm going to just stop here and then we'll walk down. How beautiful is this? Boondocking in Tahoe National Forest. There's no one around here. There's nobody camping near us. We are the only ones we can see for miles. I hope we're legal here. That was a question. I've googled it up and it looks like we're okay. But we just took our RV out of storage. It was in storage for 2 weeks and sitting in a pine forest. So it was naturally covered in the green pine pollen, which covers everything within a day. So we're boondocking. We've got solar running. It is 11 o'clock in the morning, so the sun's reasonably high. Only getting 1160 something coming through the solars, and that's because they're covered in green dust and bird shit and dust, and normal dust and everything. So I'm gonna go clean them and let's just see the difference. So we had 1160 watts at the moment. Take me 10 minutes to clean. We should get a lot more. So on the roof we go. Alrighty. Look at this mess. You can see panels are filthy. Look at how bad that is. Not a solar panel, but the front cap is so bad. So let's get scrubbing. See what difference we can get with the output power to charge our batteries. Well, it's not perfect. The water in the bucket gets dirty pretty quickly, but it's much, much better. Check it out. These are the old panels, so they're already a bit opaque. These are the new panels, and they're pretty clean. Pretty clean. Yeah. So let's go check out how many watts we're getting now. I'm hoping for at least 20% more. Let's check it out. So it's only about 100 watts more. So that's like less than 10% difference. But over a day, 100 watts, 6 hours of sun was 600 watts going back in. Anyway, it's worth it. Keep your solar panels clean. Our RV really needs some TLC. Just recently we dragged the back end going down a dip in a road. It was actually an RV storage lot we were supposed to try and park in, and we were way too big for it. And the road was not suitable for this length RV. And the back wall just scraped along the ground. It's broken away. Structurally it's fine, it's just the trim really. It's broken up, but we're going to have to put some rollers underneath there. So I'm just looking at that and what sort of rollers. Well, this is a job that I've put off for too long, but it's taken time. So, do you remember when we were driving down the highway in New Mexico and our windows blew out? Like we lost that one completely. And then there was one that did not blow out, but I wired it shut so I couldn't. And these two blew out, but we kept them, luckily. Did lose the screens though. But yeah, this is the mod that I have been planning to do, and it's just using the escape hatch latches, 2 of them, because it's a big window. So I've got 3 windows to do right now. But I mentioned in the other video that it was obviously a Grand Design fault that these just part. The way that these arms connect in this track is just plastic, and any sort of suction and it just separates. Grand Design did not admit that they said no, there's no recall on that item. But you know what? The next model out, this is 2016, the next model that come out had smaller windows, only opening from halfway, and the top is not opening, it's just a little bottom opening one. So they obviously know it's a problem and just didn't want to help their customers. So this is what I come up with. We've been testing it on this one for, I think it's been like that for about 4 months now, and works good. But summer is here and we need to open some more windows, so we're going to do that right now. Alrighty. Look at this place, guys. This is amazing. This is Bonneville Salt Flats in Utah. In the last 3 or 4 months, we have achieved 0 outlay for our RV parks and boondocking. And I can't wait to tell you how we do it. We're going to tell you how we've come to be in that position. Holy cow, I didn't realize. Minimize the amount of salt that goes onto the truck. But have a look at this. Look at that.